Hello again. Let me shut this. Let me just shut it off here. There's a noisy fan. Well, we have the main, the main motherboard. This is the old one, and hopefully, as you can see, this is the old one. Giving evidence to that, you have the red glue that was used originally from the factory on the pieces connected here. So yeah, that red glue was removed, and that's the residue that's left. That's a little bit, kind of orangey like. So yeah, I replaced the other one, soldered it in correctly. Everything works exactly how it did before. And there's some of the IC chips that are programmed, and here is the heat sink for, which looks like a transistor here. So yeah, that whole unit was replaced as it was sent to me. There is another motherboard up in the front where the digital clocks are. On the back of these digital clocks are ICs that control, with the buttons and on and off, and I don't know exactly how they're programmed, but that's the only other motherboard unit with circuitry that I know of. And those wires and everything are just connected to the motherboard as a control to control, what's set inside of that programming. And all the other wires are going into the in and outs of the back of the unit. The only thing I don't know, which I did take this lens apart, took the lens off, the bulb, and all that stuff. I didn't want to get too deep into it. I took the fan out of the bottom, and I gave a look in there. It just looked like a light socket for the infrared lamp, with a couple wires attached, of course. So I figured it didn't really do much here as far as any of the circuitry, besides running power to the lamp. And then that, I don't know if there's a sensor in here. I assume that there's not, and everything is controlled through the wires that run to the motherboard. So that's really all I have. Like I said, I don't know if a sensor is here, but I assume that there's not. There could be a feedback, like loop sensor to check the temperature, but I don't know. I didn't make the unit, so I don't know. And the digital clocks in front, like I said, again, that's the only other place that I know of that has a circuit board there. So maybe that's the issue. Maybe you could tell me more. Thank you.